Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add downloadable products in WooCommerce on WordPress website. As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, right? Here in the left side toolbar we have an option of products, and as soon as we move our cursor on the products, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having the option of add new product. So I'm going to click on add new product. Here it is asking me about the product name, right? So let me write the name of my product as SEO book, right? Here we can simply write the product description, right? And here we can add the product image and product gallery if we have lots of another images of that particular book or related to book from different angles. We can simply add them here. We can select the product category as well, right? And the next section is of product tags. We can assign product tags to that particular product, and scrolling down, going to the product data section, right? So this is the product data section. Here it is asking me whether it is a simple product, virtual product, or downloadable product, right? So right now I'm creating a downloadable product, so I will select the downloadable product. Okay, now here it is asking me about the regular price in the general settings. So for example, it is of 500 bucks, right? And the sale price is 400 bucks. So I have mentioned the sale price as 400 and regular price as 500. Now here it is asking me to upload that downloadable file which I want to sell, right? So here I will click on add file. Okay, here it is asking me the file name, right? So introduction to SEO. Okay, and here in the next column you can see it is asking me about the file URL. If you have already uploaded your file in the media library, then it's good, and you can simply paste the URL from there. Else you can also click on choose file option. So I am going to click on choose file, and then again I am going to upload files, and here it is asking me to select file. So I have clicked on it, and I will simply select the file from my system. So I have simply select the PDF file which I want to sell. I am uploading it. Okay, it's uploaded. Now I will click on insert file URL. Then automatically, as you can see, the file URL have been mentioned over here, because that particular file have been uploaded in the media library, right? Here it is asking me about the download limit. So like how many times a same user can download, right? For example, a user can download that particular file for 2 times only. Like after 2 times he or she needs to make the payment again and need to purchase the again, right? If you don't want to put this limit, then you just want to give the unlimited re-download limits, then you can simply leave this blank, right? The next section is of download expiry, right? In how many days this particular download link will expire. So I have mentioned 365 days. In 1 year the download link will get automatically expire and will not work, right? So next it is asking me what is the tax status of this file, whether it is a taxable or not, right? So if it is a taxable, then I will select taxable, else I will select the none. So it's taxable, and which tax class it belongs to, you can simply select the tax class, whether it belongs to standard tax class or zero rate or some another tax class which you have created in the tax class settings of WooCommerce, right? Coming to the inventory section, here you can simply mention the SKU of that particular product if you have a SKU number. If you don't, then you can simply leave it blank. Next, if you have GTN, UPC, EN or ISBN number, then you can mention it, else you can simply leave this. Next, it is asking me stock management, track stock quantity for this product. So as this is a file not having a stock, so like I'm not going to check this in. Next is of stock status. This is in the stock, so I have simply selected in the stock, right? Coming to the shipping section, as there is no shipment requirement, so shipping class have been selected to no shipping class, right? And link products, upsell and cross sell. If you want to sell another files to the user, right, then you can simply mention them in the upsell or cross sell products, right? As this file don't have any attributes, so I'm not mentioning the attribute as well, right? and here we can simply enter the product short description, and then we can simply click on publish to create this downloadable product, right? So as you can see, the product has been created. Now we can simply click on view product, showing in the top bar. Okay, this is the product, right? Here image is not getting displayed because we have not added any image, right? We can simply add to cart and can make purchase. Then automatically after the payment of that particular product, the user will receive a download button on the screen from where he or she can download that particular downloadable file. So this is how you can add downloadable products in WooCommerce on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to WooCommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.